Hi, this is Neha Sharma,
Hi, this is Akshay Oberoi.
and you're watching us on
Filmy Beat.
यार एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं. आई डोंट नो अबाउट अक्षय. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड टू सी हाउ पीपल विल टेक दिस वन, क्योंकि इस बार कुछ अलग करने की कोशिश की है राइटर्स ने, स्पेशली निहारिका गोइंग इन द डार्क जोन.
When you know the product is good, you're less nervous and more excited.
Yeah.
So I'm more excited. I think it's a good product. In fact, at the end of the like anytime this character walks, that is Harvey Specter's walk. तो even trailer के last में मेरे को इसे चलते हुए दिखाया है. I don't walk like that. That's too cool a walk. That is Harvey Specter from Suits. That is his. I stole it.
आई गेट वेरी फ्यू रोल्स एक तो, और वो भी जो आते हैं वो इतने ग्रेट नहीं होते. एक डायरेक्टर से तो मैं मिलने गई थी, उन्होंने पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बुलाया भी था. बुला के बोलते हैं दैट यू डोंट फिट इनटू दिस बिकॉज यू आर टू प्रिटी फॉर दिस पार्ट.
I hope so. That's why I'm doing it, Rutuja. That's why I'm doing it. So I see you at least a few times a year.
And maybe make dance reels.
And maybe make dance reels, yes.
So you have?
We did Sher Khul Gaye from Fighter together.
Oh, nice.
And he
nice.
outdanced me.
Ooh la la.
Yeah.
Lovely. I want to see that.
Yeah, it was
reel.
fantastic.
मैंने अभी बस शुरुआत की.
Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Beat. This is Murtaza Iqbal and today I am with two actors जिनका एक के बारे में तो मैं बोलना चाहूँगा. मैं पिछले 4 साल से इनके पीछे पड़ा था कि मुझे इंटरव्यू दे दो और मुझे आज फाइनली मिल रहा है. एंड अनदर वन इज माय फेवरेट. उन्होंने शुरुआत तो ऐसे फाइटर के साथ की थी और अब वो इलीगल के साथ आ रहे हैं. वेल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नेहा एंड अक्षय who are here with us today.
Thank you,
Thank
Murtaza.
Hi
you
guys,
for
welcome to
having
Filmy
us.
Beat.
I'm glad we are finally
We are
here.
finally meeting. Yes.
Yeah.
So illegal season 3. I want to know how excited, nervous. Of course, ये basic question से ही मुझे शुरू करना पड़ेगा. फिर मैं hard hitting पे जाऊँगा. So how has been nervousness, excitement कैसा feel हो रहा है अभी?
यार एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं. आई डोंट नो अबाउट अक्षय. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड टू सी हाउ पीपल विल टेक दिस वन, क्योंकि इस बार कुछ अलग करने की कोशिश की है राइटर्स ने, स्पेशली निहारिका गोइंग इन द डार्क जोन. सो अभी मुझे वो देखना है कि लोगों को कैसा लगता है. So yeah, fingers crossed. Nervous.
Yeah, when you know the product is good, you're less nervous and more excited.
Yeah.
So I'm more excited. I think it's a good product. I think it's a well-written show. Sahir is back in the director's chair, directing it. He directed season 1. Yeah, I think it's going to be a good one. I really hope that it is. Well, at least it's received that way. But वो confidence है कि अच्छा show बना है.
Correct. You know, I would like to know कि when you do multiple seasons of a show, of course, बीच-बीच में बहुत gaps आते होंगे shooting के लिए भी. So is it difficult to come back and portray the same character या easy होता है because पहले कर चुके होते हैं?
Someone asked us the same question some time back, and my answer was the same. Yeah, I feel like as actors, which Akshay was saying,
Yeah.
if you invested in a character, when you come back, it's easy to come back
Yeah.
to it. I feel the same. I feel like मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जहाँ मैंने वो कैरेक्टर छोड़ा था वहीं से पिकअप कर रहे हैं. No matter कितना टाइम चला गया है, it feels like yesterday.
What about you?
Same. When you do enough research for a character and you study the character enough, वो आपका एक हिस्सा बन जाता है. So you can just muscle memory. You can pick up. That was a nice sound. You can pick up where you left off like that. Also, this show is one of those shows where we all bonded really well. You know, from the director to the co-actors, everybody got a really good bond. It's,
Yeah.
it's a happy set to be on. Yeah. So I think that also really helps. And everybody is shocked by how well this show has been received. When it first started, I don't think
Yeah.
anybody thought we'd be here today still doing this show. So thank you for the love to the audience, but a lot of love has grown between us as actors for the show, for each
Yeah.
other.
Right. Going back when season 1 had come, for your prep, did the film, like the makers told you that go and check out this movie, see how these actors have performed? Any reference point was there, or you guys thought, we will only do our homework और हम अपने हिसाब से करेंगे?
I think जब शुरुआत की थी तो एक suggestion ये आया था that we should go to all these legal firms and sit with them and chat with them and all of that. And
Yeah.
then finally we thought it was a little not very practical for actors to do that. And then I think the team did it for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like Sahir was there and Samar was there, and they met a lot of friends who were lawyers,
Yeah.
and they hung with them, and then they told us the lingo, and that's all come in the pot of writing there. कि ऐसा लगे कि हम actually it's today's legal system and how people talk.
Yeah.
We've got the lingo and everything. तो मुझे लगता है वो काम तो किसी को करना ही था. उन्होंने करके हमें spoon feed किया है.
With me, Sahir had told me that this character is like Harvey Specter from Suits. So, dekh le show.
Yeah.
And so I had seen all the seasons at that time of Suits in 2016, whatever had come by then. And I took a couple of things, I really, thank you, Harvey Specter. In fact, at the end of the, like anytime this character walks, that is Harvey Specter's walk. तो even trailer के last में मेरे को इसे चलते हुए दिखाया है. I don't walk like that. That's too cool a walk. That is Harvey Specter from Suits. That is his. I stole it.
राइट यू नो आई वांट टू नो जब ये सीन्स वगैरह जो होते हैं बहुत भारी भरकम होते हैं, यू नो इट्स वेरी सीरियस, फिर सेट के माहौल कैसे होता है? वो ऐसे ही सीरियस होता है कि
नहीं,
मस्ती मजाक चलती रहती है?
नहीं।
कैसे होता है सेट पे?
Very chill. पीयूष जी आते हैं तो थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट हो
नहीं
जाता
यार,
है.
जो सीन्स वैसे होते हैं बकवास माहौल होता है बिकॉज एवरीवन's in that zone and they don't want to be disturbed mostly.
राइट
not
Whatever
a
we've
pleasant-
done together, it's been really fun.
Yeah, because it's not been
They're
those
not very heavy,
scenes,
bhari
yeah.
bharkam scenes.
Otherwise, that whole day is like that, and then you go home with that feeling, and the next day you try to figure it's a new day.
Right.
Yeah.
Neha, I would like to know from you. You have been very selective. If I see the work that you have been
Yeah.
taking up, चाहे फिर वो OTT. I think OTT तो you haven't done much apart from this show and
No.
one more. And movies
That
maybe
one more
दो
hasn't come out yet. I'm hoping it does.
Yeah, me too. I'm excited about it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know, even when it comes to movies, like maybe 2 years में one movie. Why have you been like this? Are you being selective, or you are not getting the roles that you're looking forward to?
I get very few roles एक तो, और वो भी जो आते हैं वो इतने ग्रेट नहीं होते, तो जो थोड़े बिकॉज यार जो यही करते हैं उसमें इतनी यू नो इफ यू रीड द कमेंट्स
Yeah.
एंड पीपल why are you doing this, yeah, I don't like this and I don't like that, and eventually you're doing this for the people, you
Yeah.
know, somewhere for that gratification from them what they want to see, and there's a loyal fan base who wants to see you a certain way. तो बहुत सारे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं that conflict with each other, and then you're like, okay, this could be something that I like, so I'll do this. So they are far and few.
राइट यू नो आई वुड लाइक टू नो फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ यू कि कहीं ना एक मतलब ये बहुत एक्टर्स ने बोला है कि माइंडसेट हो जाता है मेकर्स का, क्योंकि इतनी गुड लुकिंग है, इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है, इतना हैंडसम है, तो ये लोग वो हार्ड हिटिंग वाले रोल्स नहीं कर पाएंगे. दो यू हैव ब्रोकन दैट स्टीरियोटाइप विद लाल रंग और फ्लैश. आई थिंक आई लव फ्लैश. व्हेनेवर आई टॉक अबाउट फ्लैश
Yeah.
बिकॉज आई जस्ट लव दैट रोल विच यू
Thank
हैव
you.
डन. सो ऐसा कभी फेस किया है एक्चुअली जेन्युइनली कि फिल्म मेकर्स ने या किसी ने आके बोला कि you're too good looking to be a part of it?
I'm not that good looking, but I've heard that from people.
You are very
like
good
no,
looking.
no. I hear that from makers though. Like I met this one director who said, बाकी लोग तो मिलते भी
हाँ.
हैं. They are like नहीं, you don't fit my part. I don't want to meet you. ऐसा होता है mostly. But एक director से तो मैं मिलने गई थी, उन्होंने पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बुलाया भी था, बुला के बोलते हैं that you don't fit into this because you're too pretty for this part.
बुला
I
के
don't
बोला?
want a girl. हाँ, बुला के first line. So I'm like. I don't know what to say, but I think he changed his mind when he met me, and I got that part.
You got the part?
Yeah, I got that part.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was it illegal by any chance?
No, they came to me wanting me to do this. So yeah, illegal was different, and I think I have a lot of gratitude for them, believing that I could do this.
Which movie are you talking about? Akshay, what about you? Have you faced any such things?
I think you said it for me. I think my career just happened a certain. I started with a romantic film, Missy
Yeah.
Life made that Rajshri made, and वो film ऐसी पिटी कि my thought process changed very fast. And maybe let me put it on that film that I didn't want to be this chocolate boy known for his good
Yeah.
looks. So I just dived into things like pizza and Gurgaon and Lal Rang, and I just went
Yeah.
in that direction. So very early on, I think I broke that. And it's not something. See, we can all be very delusional
Yeah.
because you're only in your own echo chambers. But I've heard it from you today, and I've heard it from a bunch of producers and directors that they've always told me कि तेरी खासियत ये कि you broke that stereotype very
Yeah.
early. No one saw you as like the good-looking boy. They saw you as an actor. So I think that part of the career, everybody's got things that they're missing
Yeah.
links in their career. That missing link was never there for me. I think I was very early on able to break that.
Right. Neha, a few days ago, you became a rage on social media. Okay.
Why?
A video of her where she was with her father has gone viral,
Oh,
and
that's it.
people I remember I saw this video where they were there's this national crush thing जो every week change होती रहती है
Oh my
आजकल.
God. Oh
my
हाँ,
God.
so they were like so they were having these 2-3 actresses कि these are good but she's the OG one, and they were like such ऐसे वो आपके पुराने गाने जो संगे मरमर है या तेरी शर्ट में बटन सोनी वो सब डाल के वो सब रील्स आ रहे थे. I was like wow,
Oh, I
okay यही
haven't
चल
seen
रहा
those, nice.
You haven't seen
No.
those? Yeah, my question was that only if you have seen those. और ये आपने सोचा था कि मैं बस ऐसे जाऊंगी सपोर्ट करने मेरे फादर को और ऐसा रिस्पांस सोशल मीडिया दे देगा?
नहीं. But I'm very grateful, and I'm when life comes a full circle, तो मेरे लिए जो सबसे स्पेशल चीज़ वो ये है that it's about Bhagalpur and it's about my hometown and me standing there with my father. That means a lot to me, and the love that I get from there, from the people. And यहाँ पे लोग जो भी बोले, you know, यहाँ के लोग जो नहीं समझेंगे वो feeling, मैं वो समझा भी
But I
नहीं
think all were
पाऊंगी.
positive. ऐसा कुछ negative था नहीं
नहीं,
वहाँ
I don't know, I
पे.
don't
There
know.
was no
मुझे नहीं
negative.
पता.
Like जितनी मैंने reels देखे they all were positive. They were
Okay,
loving you
great.
there.
So I feel like I love that, and I feel like life's given me this opportunity to go back to that, and I feel like कुछ थोड़ा बहुत जो भी कमाया है इज्जत काम से, I feel like I really love that, to go back to them and see that love. So I feel like I love that.
But how do you feel people calling you the OG national crush?
I like it. I just heard it and I like it.
So, but any plans the next step, maybe politics, or you just want to be an actor?
No, I have plans. Yes.
You have plans, okay. So lastly, before I wrap up this Q&A, I want to know what are your upcoming projects apart from Illegal Season 3, where do we see you?
Akshay has a lineup, I believe. Have you, Akshay?
I have a bunch of things that have, you know, there is Varchasva with Vacation, there's 2014 with Jackie Shroff, there's Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari, which I'm currently shooting. There's a film called Tu Chahiye that Ratna Sinha directed for Z. It's a romantic love story. She made Shadi Mein Zarur Aana. And then there's another film that's a South remake. So there's a bunch of things that I've done.
Yeah. So I'm
Let's
going to
see
meet
what
you a lot of times.
I
this
hope so. That's why I'm doing it, Murtuza. That's why I'm doing it. So I see you at least a few times a year.
And maybe make dance reels.
And maybe make dance reels, yes.
Oh, you have?
We did
With
Sher
him?
Khul Gaye from Fighter together.
Oh, nice.
And he
nice.
outdanced me.
Ooh la la.
Yeah.
Lovely. I want to see that.
Yeah, it was
reel.
fantastic.
Sure, I will show you. About your upcoming projects.
So
Or we have to
I've-
wait for more 2 years to see you.
So no, I am a bit picky, so I don't have a list like Akshay, of course. But there's one show that I'm excited about, apart from Illegal. Of course, Illegal is right
Yeah.
now my love right now. So yes, Illegal it is. But there's another show called 36 Days, which I'm looking forward to. That was again, I'm in my villain era, so it's all of that. And there's another movie that I'm looking at doing in like June, July. So yes, we'll talk about it when the time comes.